Hi guys, my name's kittyarthurhouse. It's been a while, I know, but like, I don't know what to put up for you guys, I guess. But I do know. Oh, I now remember. I bought an outfit and stuff. I bought a lot of stuff because I wanted to show like a full transformation, but like, I bought a black outfit to wear with this look, but like, I didn't get it. It made me really sad because like, I thought it was my size, but like, apparently I'm built like a hippo, so I had to return it and order a larger size, so that was gonna take a while. So sorry about that, guys, but I've been like practicing and stuff. I wanted to record this look, but like, you know, don't really have a lot of privacy, so like people constantly moving in and out, and like I didn't want to like, you know, have them in the background and just be, you know, just kind of weird. Also, it took a long freaking time to do this, so like I was not feeling it. Like it took me a long time. Like honestly, like I was gonna do like some type of like green blue look off this one YouTuber, Venus Soleil. I don't know, you guys should definitely check her out. I'll try to link her in the description. But like I was doing it, and then like I was like, oh shit, it's not coming out right. So like I ended up like, but I was watching RuPaul's celebrity drag show. I was like, oh yeah, I got inspired by one that looks like a purple blue look, and like, oh, I wanted to do that. So like I was thinking like, what if I like try practicing some like copying eye looks off of like TV shows and stuff, because I heard people do that and like that's how you get better. And then while I was doing that, I realized, oh shit, in my first like video, like I did like a purple eye look, but like it looked good this time. Like it looked really good. I even managed to do put on fake false eyelashes. I was very proud of that because I did it in like one go. Like I was like, oh my god. I tried putting on the false eyelashes once before, and like it was a freaking failure, and like I gave up for so long. I just did not try again after that first attempt. But then when I tried again, I was like so freaking happy that I was able to do it. But like, oh my god. And when I bought this wig, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'll just go show you. See, and like it looked really good. Like I don't know, I love the wig, and like my makeup's getting better. I'm so happy. Like oh my god, it looks so much better. Like my lips don't look like a mess from the first video. Got better eyeshadows. My eyebrows look kind of good too. I feel very happy. And I'm gonna keep practicing because I want to get better and do more stuff, you know? I want to do a lot more stuff. Like I want to do like, I was thinking like I want to do like reaction videos and stuff. And like I have this really good idea, but like my editing skills need to get better and on point. So like once I'm able to do that, I definitely go like practice that. So anyways, I just want to give you like a update and everything, that I'm still here or whatever, but like I'm still practicing, and like I just haven't posted a video yet because I just try and get stuff together and stuff. But to be honest, I don't even have a schedule, but I do try. I want to try at least be kind of consistent, you know, to get the people to come to me, because you know, I have a problem. I love attention. I really do. And I've been struggling it all my life. Oh, so I guess I'll just end it here. But before I go, please consider following me on Twitter and Instagram at at kittyarthurhouse. And also please consider subscribing and liking this video and even commenting too, because those are all very nice and get me out there, and I would love to read your comments. So thank you very much, and thank you for, you know, your time and watching this video. Love you. Also, I'm very sorry, I forgot. This is a quick side note. Thank you every single one that watched my video and commented and followed me on Instagram and stuff. I appreciate it so much. I love it and I want more of it. And I just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate you, and I acknowledge you because it means the world to me. And I'm so sorry that I kind of forgot for a moment because, you know, it's fucking early in the morning. I was up all night doing this, so thank you. I just want to say that because I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you very much.